So today's DIY is going to be the rolling trays. You know those trays the smokers love, okay? You know what I'm talking about. So this tray is going to be in pink and ivory because this is the colors that she requested. So let's get started, okay?
So here it is in ivory and pink. And trust me, let it dry. Let it dry. Not too many coats. A light coat will do. And you let it dry and on to the next. Lettering part for me, y'all know I just love designing. So since you requested basically three colors, you want to draw your designs. When you're Mod Podging the glitter, you want to do one side at a time, let it dry so your glitter will not mix into one another and you have those crisp straight lines. So look at this, one side silver, the other side hot pink, and I also put the letters of the colors. Ooh, look how shiny that is. How beautiful that is. A hot pink, the silver, and the black. Now, before you put your stickers on, you have to put that coat on top and let it dry for 24 hours. But before that, you're going to need your gloves. You're going to need your little cups and your wooden spoon, for mixing part A and part B of this product. You can't just pour it on, but for the glaze coat, I use the Formal Wood glaze coat, which is made by E6000. It's a great product as well to use on these roller trays, and anything you want to glaze or coat, as it says glaze coat, anything you want to use. But you will need these products and learn to mix the part A and part B even parts to get this beautiful coat. This is the first coat, and after the first coat is dry, you can break out your circuit and put that design on it now that it's dried, and we're going to be putting a second coat as well to seal this in. So here is the final finish. The second coat has dried 24 hours just like the first one. That is looking awesome. And here is another tray. This is the black with what I call the tie-dye glitter in it. Look at that. She wanted that design. This is for another client. And you know what that's saying. That is just so cute. But you know me, I am in love with that circuit and that hologram paper. The hologram is my favorite. Y'all know I'm always using that. Like it says, good vibes only. You know, how cute did that come out? I mean, these smoker trays, I'm going to say, they're just so popular. So, I've made quite a few of them, but this black is, I got to say, my most favorite. These holograms, I love it because as you move the tray, the designs turns colors. So, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell and leave me any comments. I hope you had fun watching it because I had fun making it. Thanks.